Hello, and welcome to Everyday English AI Storytelling Series. Today's story is called The Bamboo and the Oak Tree. It is a powerful story about strength, flexibility, and staying strong during hard times. This video will help you improve your English listening, learn new vocabulary and context, understand a deep life lesson. So find a quiet space, relax, and listen carefully. Let's begin the story. Part 1. The Forest. Once upon a time, in a quiet green forest, there stood two trees, side by side. One was a tall, strong oak tree. The other was a thin, gentle bamboo plant. The oak tree was proud. It stood straight and tall. Its trunk was thick. Its branches reached high into the sky. The bamboo was humble. It swayed with the wind. It bent left and right. It was soft, thin, and flexible. Every day, the oak tree looked down at the bamboo and said, "Look at me. I am strong. I never bend. I never move. I stand tall. Always." The bamboo smiled and said, "Yes, friend. You are very strong. I admire your strength." But the oak tree continued, "You bend with every breeze. You are weak. You are soft. You can never be like me." The bamboo did not argue. It simply said, "Maybe I am soft, but I survive." The oak laughed. Part 2. The storm comes one evening. The sky turned dark. Clouds rolled in. The wind began to blow. The birds flew away. A storm was coming. Thunder roared in the sky. Lightning flashed. Rain began to fall, heavy and fast. Boom, crash. The wind howled. It pushed everything in its path. The tall oak tree stood firm. "I will not bend," it said. "I will stay strong." But the wind grew stronger and stronger and stronger. The bamboo bent low, very low. It touched the ground, but it did not break. It moved with the wind. It danced in the storm. The oak tree tried to stay firm. It refused to move. It stood stiff, proud, and tall. Then suddenly, crack, the oak tree broke. Its trunk snapped. Its roots tore out of the ground. It fell to the earth with a loud crash. When the storm passed, the forest was quiet again. The sun came out. The birds returned, and the bamboo stood, still rooted, still alive, still swaying gently in the breeze. Part 3. After the storm, the bamboo looked at the fallen oak tree and whispered, "Dear friend, strength is not just about standing tall. Sometimes true strength is in bending. Flexibility saved the bamboo. Pride broke the oak." Vocabulary review. Now, let's review some important words from the story. Repeat after me. I will say the word. Then I will say the meaning. 1. Oak tree, a large, strong tree with a thick trunk. Say it with me. Oak tree. 2. Bamboo, a tall, thin, flexible plant. Bamboo. 3. Storm, heavy rain and strong wind. Storm. 4. Bend, to move without breaking. Bend. 5. Break, to snap or tear into pieces. Break. 6. Flexible, able to bend without breaking. Flexible. 7. Proud, feeling very good about yourself, sometimes too much. Proud. 8. Humble, kind, gentle, not showing off. Humble. 9. Rooted, fixed in the ground. Deeply connected, rooted. 10. Survive, to stay alive through difficulty. Survive. Great job. Repeat these words again later to help remember them. Moral reflection. Let's think about what this story teaches us. Many people believe that being strong means never bending. But life can be hard. Storms will come. Challenges will appear. If we stay too stiff, we can break. But if we learn to bend like the bamboo, we can survive. Being flexible does not mean you are weak. It means you are smart. It means you can adapt. So remember, be like the bamboo. Bend, but never break. Speaking practice prompts. Now, let's practice speaking. I will ask you some questions. Pause after each one and try to answer. 1. What happened during the storm? 2. Why did the oak tree fall? 3. Why did the bamboo survive? 4. What does flexible mean? 5. What do you think is true strength? Well done. Practicing speaking helps you become fluent in English. Final message and call to action. If you enjoyed this story, give it a like. Leave a comment and tell us, are you more like the oak or like the bamboo? And do not forget to subscribe for more English learning stories every week. This was Everyday English AI storytelling series. Thanks for listening, and remember, strong people bend, they grow, and they survive. Goodbye.